octal number into its binary version. So let's take a simple example like 175. This is an octal number, right? So see carefully how I'm going to convert this one into its binary version. So what do I have to do is I do have to write this one. I'm writing these digits separately, right? So 175, right? Now I'm thinking these are separate digits, right? I think this is 1, this is 7, and this is 5. I think those are decimal numbers now, right? This is decimal 1, this is decimal 7, and this is decimal 5, right? Forget about this octal thing. Now take this one, thinking that it is decimal, just find its binary version, right? So in order to divide this by 2, so how many 2's are there in 1? It's just 0, right? For 1 there are no 2's and the remaining is 1, because 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, right? So let's convert this one. Assume that this is decimal 7, right? So I'm just converting decimal 7 into its binary version. I divide 7 by 2, we get 3, and the remaining value is 1. And I divide 3 by 2. Once 3 is divided by 2, we get 1, and the remaining value is 2. So we have to write here to here, 1, 1, 1. This one is all the same. We get 0, 1 here, right? So now I'm taking this one. I consider it as a decimal 5, right? 5. In order to convert decimal 5 into its binary version, I divide it by 2. How many 2's are there in 5? There are 2 2's in 5 and 1 is remaining. Again, I'm going to divide this by 2. There are 1 2's in 2 and 0 is remaining. Right, now I have to write from here to here. I'm getting 101. Right, okay. Now what do I have to do is, so I'm converting octal into binary, right? So what is the base of octal? Base of octal is 8. What is the base of binary? It is 2. So what is the power of 2 when it comes to 8? So 8 is 2 to the power 3, right? 8 is 2 to the power 3. Therefore, I'm taking this 3 for my consideration. So therefore, once we get all these things, I have to represent these things with 3 digits, right? Here I have 3 digits. Here I have 3 digits. If I don't have 3 digits, I do have to put zeros in front and make it 3 digits, right? So here I do have only 2 digits, therefore I put a 0 here. No change to the value, right? Therefore, now what do I have to do is I have to add these together and write 0 0 1, 1 1 1 and 1 0 1. So this is the binary version of this octal number. So 175, octal 175 we can write as 0 0 1 0 1. This is the binary version. So right, I'll give you another example. So let's take, right, so this is my octal number. So I'm going to convert this one into its binary version. So what do I have to do? I have to write 3 digits, all these digits in your number separately. 354. Now I forgot about octal thing, right? I think this is decimal 3. I think this is decimal 5. I think this is decimal 4. Now I do have to convert these things. Assume that these are decimal, right? So I think that this is decimal 3. How I convert this one into binary? I divide this by 2, right? How many 2's are there in 3? There's only 1 and 1 is remaining. That's all, right? We got a number which is less than 2, right? I stop here. I have to write here to here. So I get 1 1, right? Now let's convert this one 5. I divide this by 2. How many 2's are there in 2? There are 2 2's in 2 and 1 is remaining. I again divide this by 2. I get 1 and remaining value is 0. I get 1, 0, 1. Right, now I'm converting 4. Once 4 is divided by 2, we get 2 and 0 is remaining. Once we divide 2 by 2, 1 and 0 is remaining. So I get 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So I converted all 3 digits. Now I do have to check whether we have 3 digits in each part. We have 3. I have 3. I don't have 3. I put 0 here. Right, now 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0.